It is April and unto or, and I'm making videos. I'm in Mount Prospect, making my very first videos of METRA Trains from Mount Prospect.
653 to Palatine is now arriving. Please stand behind the yellow line. UP Northwest train number 653 to Palatine is now arriving. Please stand behind the yellow line.
Trons are fucking cool. I got the zoom thing on now. I don't need to be further back. Yeah, they're getting rid of the green tinted windows on the Trons, although people live in the Chicago area are such lucky fucking bastards. They have so many Trons to ride. And there's another Tron over there. I guess it's a non-stop Tron. So after this Tron is over, I'll get a video of the other Tron. There's no stopping the METRA Trons. There's so many of them. They're stopping the videos. At least during rush hour, there's a lot of them. The Tron is pulling out of the station. He said pull out. He said pull out. You can't see it from here, but while waiting for the next Tron, which I can see is right over there, there's a Starbucks coffee over here, and the tip of the building where the Starbucks coffee is, looks kind of like a penis. I'm so glad I have Asperger's. I know I'm very observant of those kinds of things, but penises actually kind of look like that. Starbucks is a fucking ripoff how much it costs, but eating at a Starbucks that's shaped like a penis? Are you willing to splurge all that money for that? I don't know. You could have more, orgasmic thrills. That's probably a non-stop Tron. Unfortunately, they locked the door where you can't. I was able to get in there until now. We got these things, you see a lot of them in Miami and the Latin countries. There's a lot more riots there. Now they're starting to see them here. The next Tron is that. Look at the schedules. It's probably non-stop. How about Evan and Albert? I'll probably be able to get 2 Trons in that video. And there's one, I think there's only one more inbound Tron. And you can see the schedules. The first time I made videos of METRA Trons from Mount Prospect. Epic's on a wharf for the next inbound Tron. And where's that Tron? And there's a Tron at this is a good place. I get a feeling that the so-called racetrack for the BNSF Trons has got more METRA Trons than any other METRA line. I get a feeling this has the second most.
Southbound train approach at your station will not stop. For your safety, please stand behind the yellow line. stop. For your safety, please step behind the yellow line.
The Tron is almost here. Is there another Tron behind it? Trons are fucking cool! It's exciting to get videos of METRA Trons. 65 degrees. It's actually starting to get a little cold out here. It's going to get fucking hot again before my visit to the Chicago area is going to be up to almost 80 degrees on Sunday. So I'm going to get thirsty wherever I'm walking around riding METRA Trons over the weekend. Well, I don't see any other Trons, so people, I am so glad I have Asperger's because I make the most interesting Tron videos in the world. Who talks about penises during a Tron video? And people get to see my videos and hear my spoken words are the chosen people, even if they don't like it. And if they don't like it, it means they have a stick up their ass. And people who have a stick up their ass need to hear someone like me more than any. Are they going to pull that stick out their ass? Most of them won't, unfortunately. If they pull that stick out of your ass, you'll be liberated. At first, a bunch of diarrhea will come out, but that's yucky and disgusting, and it feels icky. But after that, you'll feel much happier and better. It's like having a colon cleanse and a brain cleanse, and most people need a brain cleanse. Hopefully, more METRA Trons before the day is done.